So how can you sort your favorites on the iPhone? Let me show you all that you really need to know about it. Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, consider subscribing so that way you don't miss anything important. Now, it depends on what type of favorite things we're trying to sort. For example, if you mean the favorite contacts, you can open up the phone app, tap on the favorites, click on edit, and you'll be able to drag or grab the individual entries by the handle on the right and reorganize it as much as you like. So I guess it gets the job done for the favorite contacts. If you mean the favorite pictures, well, you can as well just go to the collections and open up your favorites folder. And in there, you don't really have the ability to reorganize it so simply, but you can click on the filter and sort it by the newest first, oldest first, right? You can also choose different options or filter them by the type. So that is another way you can sort the favorites, but this time it's about photos. You can also just remove them from the favorites list by unharding them, then locating the picture, clicking the heart icon again, and it will be added on top of the list now. So I guess that would be another option. So as you can see, there are different ways or different things which you can favorite. There are also websites within a Safari which you can also go to the bookmarks and reorganize those as well. So yeah, as you can see, so many different things. So if I helped you out with it, hit the thumbs up and let me know. But if there are some more questions you have or something I did not cover, then similarly utilize the comment section below. I'm going to be really glad if I could help you out further. Subscribe for more and I'll talk to you soon.